Dr. Terani?
Prof. Barry, how would the geopolitics of the world be if, say, 60% or 70% of the leaders were female?
It would probably be, I'd say, a bit more equal. I think that women would have more jurisdiction, and maybe even the kind of sex equity thing or this kind of racism would start to go against men. But I think that it would be a definitely sort of more equal world if 60 or 70% of the leaders were women. In terms of sexual equality, I think that would be an issue that would be less touched on. It would be such a small issue that even Da Vinci discussions wouldn't touch on it, I'd say. Maybe this kind of sexual issue or gender issue would go against men instead. Because, well, if the majority is a woman, then of course there will be this kind of jurisdiction of women over men. And maybe this kind of thing will turn the tables. But of course, neither kind of thing is good. I don't see white supremacy is good or black supremacy is good, and I think that thing is similar for the gender issue. So maybe it would be a better world if those were leaders. Maybe it wouldn't be. I think that equality is good for all, especially here in South Africa. I am honored to see this noble fight for equality and how the blacks didn't want to just get over the whites, but blacks wanted whites to be equal in a rainbow nation, to have this kind of not opposition but family, this kind of sort of friendship. And I think that kind of thing is important in racial and gender things as well. So I think that kind of equality is more important. And if 60 or 70% of the leaders were women, say, then I think that that would maybe make that imbalance. That would make that imbalance flipped, but it would still be a very big imbalance.